gonna see a G-Wagon with fucking 20-inch Lorinser rims.
There's no way.
I'm the first one to do it.
That's true.
Period.
I haven't seen it. I told him I haven't seen it. Everyone thought it was crazy.
You're crazy.
We know it's gonna be fucking sick. So
we're here, in the middle of nowhere. Got my partner with me. We're gonna check out these wheels. We made a deal.
I'm gonna make you a deal just because I like you.
These are 20s, by the way. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. To this gentleman right here. Thank you. As soon as I saw the car, the G-Wagon, when I bought it, I was like, what kind of wheels do I need on this car? And then I landed on these wheels. I was on Facebook Marketplace. I found them, 20 inches.
20 inches pop my feather.
20-inch Lorinser, original Lorinser rims. Hit up the guy. I bought them. I bought them for a really expensive price.
His rims look like they cost you a pretty penny.
But that doesn't matter. We're here at Rayco's. You know what I mean? This when you want wheels, you come over here. We're getting things checked out. These are the wheels we have on now. Remember, this truck is very heavy.
It's getting very heavy.
We're gonna figure out if this wheel can handle the weight on this car. Right. So we just try to fit it. You know, first it was the weight thing. The weight we checked out was good. But now, the only issue is, this is an 84.1 millimeter. So it has to fit in here on 84.1. This here is 82 millimeters.
God damn it, it won't work.
So we need the spacers that are here and putting them a little wider, maybe 2 millimeters wider, so they could fit. All right, so the mission's on. So what needs to happen is we have a spacer. This is the thing that goes in between the wheel and the car. So because the wheel does not fit into the car, which is the bore, this thing, we have to then open this hole up by 2.1 centimeters. 2.1 centimeters for it to fit in the car.
They're gonna make it fit like a glove.
We found a place. It's somewhere in a warehouse in Newark that actually cuts these things, these metal plates. So we're gonna go over there. We're gonna get this to the size that we need it in, and then hopefully that works. Right, so we got to the warehouse. Yo, this is crazy over here. It's crazy over here.
It's crazy here.
But what happened? Oh, it's crazy over here. But they're gonna get it done. At least try to. All right, so we got the spacer back. You can see where it's cut, right? See that? So yeah, this is done. Let's see if it fits. So they checked the pattern on the lugs and found out that the pattern of the lugs doesn't fit the pattern of the wheel. It's not impossible. It's not impossible.
In America, nothing is impossible.
So we're gonna go to the place that we just came from and see if we can find something that can help us put this together. So we're back in the shop. All right, so we can't fit these, so we have to fabricate what we need for them. There's machinery back there, and so we're going with a different route. I convinced the guy, well, Leo convinced the guy.
Don't make me hurt you, Mikey.
To do this job today on the rims. What I need to do now is go to another place that's like an hour away. Yep, an hour away, to pick up the tires so then we can bring them back here and install the tires on the rims. Made it to the tire shop. Yeah. We made it to the tire shop. We got the tires. We're on the way for the rims. All right, so we just got some bad news. Or not bad news, just another hurdle.
It's a hurdle.
It's another hurdle. What is it, Cheech?
Lug nuts.
We need 2-inch lug nuts.
Hold on to your lug nuts.
For a G-Wagon. Or we just need 2-inch lug nuts for a Mercedes. To AutoZone. But shit is hood over here, bro. God damn.
Welcome to the hood, college boy.
Get in the zone, AutoZone. We went to how many AutoZones? We went to like 3-4 AutoZones looking for nut bolts, and we found them.
We hit the jackpot.
We gave it to them. They actually are closed. We paid them to stay open. But we did it. All right, guys. The moment is here. What you've been waiting on. Woo-hoo-hoo! What? Huh? Sing. God damn. You see that? You see what that is? You see what that is? Come on, man. Cheech, what do you think?
Yo, we made history. I've never, ever seen this. A G-Wagon on P93 Lorinsers. The mama. Never.
Yeah, look at these hands. Cheech. I need to clean it up. Anything else?
That's it.
Alright.
It's just crazy. History.
And that's another of No Company Motors. And now we got the finished product. I mean, I'm not done yet with though. I'm not done yet. But check it out.